Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing some stair skirtboards in some kind of very dimly lit conditions here. We have our existing stair. We have our stairs framed up here. It's not, I didn't frame them up, but we have them framed up here. And we're going to add our stair skirtboard on here, which would be this trim piece that goes on the side here. These things are a little difficult to lay out. The first thing you want to get for it, when you want to get your measurements so you can order your materials for it. So you just want to measure from the top. I just lay my tape measure here on the stair nosing, just like that. Now I just measure just down to where it hits, and then I just got to remember that my top is the short point. So from there I want to have like another 6 inches. So for this we have about a 12 grit. I actually ended up just joining two pieces together that I had, pocket screwing them together and gluing them together. So this side here we actually have the same deal. You can see there's a joint there. You hardly can tell, but it's all going to be painted, so it'll look pretty good. The second thing you want to do here is you want to get your boards here, and you want to get them situated here so you can lay them out. Which is what I am doing with this. The first thing that I did was I cut my stair angle, which is the top of the stairs. If you don't have a wall up there, you just want to put it up past the nosing, and then you just want to tack it to the wall. I just cut my stair angle in here, which is actually a 38-degree angle. Stairs are usually 40, you can guess around 40 degrees for the stairs. This one here is 38, right on. So I cut my angle this way. I'm going to have my stairs skirtboard like that, and I want to just tack it in place there so I can trace it. And you guys gotta let me know in the comments what you guys do for stairs, especially for skirtboard. I know you can get those big folding square things that you could actually just copy the layout of the stairs on it and then just set it on your board and trace it. I don't have one of them. I don't know if that way is easier or not. What I was doing here, I just had it set in my stair nosing, and then I just put well, I'll show you. I put a plumb up for the stair nosing. It's just tacked in place so it stays there. I also have this piece of drywall corner that's sticking out that I'm going to cut off. We'll just take the corner off there. Alright, so what I do, I'm at a little torpedo level, and I know my stair rise is 7 3/8, which would be this number from the tread to the top of the other tread. That's 7 3/8. It's about 7 1/2, but I'm just going 7 3/8. Just pretty close, but right on there. Now what I was doing here is I lay it out, and I can get a little closer here. Check it out. There we go. What I found works pretty good is I just tack it in place there, and I use my little level. And I'm actually just leveling up from the riser, and I just draw a line. And then I just measure up from that line my 7 3/8, and I make a mark. I was measuring each one just so I can have, as close of a fit as possible. It doesn't need to be right on because my stair treads are going to be going on here, so if there's a little bit of a gap there, it's fine. But this is what I was doing. got that'd be my riser there. And then my tread, I'm just doing a level line back from my top of my riser height. Just like that. Same deal here again. I just want to measure what that is. This top of the step is 7. So they must have forgot to take off. I think they forgot to take off their bottom. And they figured it out. Because all the steps should be the same. So that's how I do it. I just do it like that. Move down to the next one. Plumb up for my riser. Measure my riser. You don't have to measure each one, but I just like to, just so, you know, it just gets that nice finish when you install it. There's not like a huge gap. You just want to make sure that you're good there. When you're measuring your treads back, they should be hitting the point here where your riser starts at. Right on the corner there where your riser starts should be your tread, level out from there. I think that's kind of a given. But I thought I would just mention it. So, stairs are all different. I think I know they installed different size material on a few of them. Not sure why they did that. I gotta just make a jig here at 7.5, just so I can mark it off nice. Normally that's what I would do, but I think I only have a few here yet. So I'm just gonna continue that. Alright, so I'm actually here to my last step here. And this is where I'm gonna wanna end my stair skirting here. Can't see me now. So right here, I'm ending my stair skirting. So what I'm gonna do here is I just wanna have a straight line down from the wall here, from the corner of the wall, and my stair skirting is just gonna stop right like that. There is gonna be trim on the open end treads, so that'll be on the other side. That'll be on the underside of the string. That'll be on the stringer. All right. So what I want to do here is I want to terminate this out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put my last tread on here. I'm just going to go level from my last riser. Because I know that this is going to be sitting down there like that. The rest, I actually want to measure what my tread here is. 9.5. Technically, I want to measure what it is to my corner. Can't really see. It looks like 9. We're going to go 9.25, just to be sure. We can always take some off if we need to. So we got 9.25 here. And then, on our stringer here, we just want to go straight up from there. I think we got more than 9.25. I think we have more like 9.5. 9.75 maybe. We're just going to go 10. Like I said, you can always cut it off later. So that is what my stair skirt will look like when it comes down to my corner here. It'll sit down in there. It's gonna look like the bottom here, except that it's gonna be on a step. So it's gonna look like that, but it's gonna be like one step up on there. So that's what that's gonna look like. We're gonna go ahead and go cut these and then see how it fits. All right, so we have our stair skirt board cut. Doing a test cut here. I know it's going to be past the corner a little bit. I have to take off that corner yet. But for right now, this is just checking to see if I'm anywhere close with it. Hopefully with luck I am. That looks pretty good. I know my corner here is a little long. Even I left it running a little long. It's about 1/4 long. It's not bad. That looks pretty good. The top is right in there, nice. Everything else lines up pretty good. Yeah. So that is how you mark and cut stair skirt board.